that its algorithms addict kids and adults.
Is there no government in the world that's looking at what the experts are recommending, which is reining in big tech rather than a ban, which actually puts the onus on no one?
Yeah, so there is, and it is a bunch of unelected people called the European Commission, ironically.
Right.
So the European Commission earlier this year came out with a couple of rulings that have really shaken the big tech companies. They're really worried about it. So one was TikTok. It essentially found on a preliminary basis, preliminary ruling, that TikTok, that its algorithms addict kids and adults, and the algorithms must be changed. Now that's an earthquake for TikTok, and it's the ramifications for that, if that preliminary decision is confirmed, which it will be, I think. But if it is, TikTok is going to have to either change its recommender system or leave the EU. That's the only thing that the tech companies actually fear.